Hi, I'm Luisa, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to make a sunflower out of empty toilet paper rolls. For starters, we're going to need 2 rolls. Each roll we're going to cut in strips of 1 centimeter width. After we've cut all of the strips, we're going to roll each one of them. And we're going to repeat this process for all of the strips. And now we're going to glue them all together in order to make the center of the flower. If you enjoyed this kind of videos, I hope you'll consider subscribing if you haven't already, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my next crafts. For the next step, we're going to take another roll and cut it in 2 centimeters width strips. Cut the other 3 strips just like this one. you keep the stem in place while the glue is cooling off, as you don't want it to move around. For the petals we're going to use 2 rolls that we're going to cut in 8 equal pieces, so 16 pieces at the end. And after we have all of the petals prepared, we can start gluing them to the stem and then to each other. On my channel I have a playlist dedicated to crafts with empty toilet paper rolls, so there's a lot of projects that you can try. I hope that you enjoyed today's video, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Like the video and maybe even leave a comment. See you on the next one. Bye!